Can you really grow over 90 roots in just a few days by using honey or aloe vera? It might sound too good to be true, but many home gardeners have been using this simple method for years. And guess what, it actually works? If you love growing plants from cuttings but get frustrated when they wilt or fail, keep watching. Today, I will show you the easiest way to turn a weak cutting into a strong, root-packed plant right at home. Growing cuttings like basil, mint, and rose can be tricky. Sometimes they look healthy at first, but then droop or dry out before any roots form. Many people throw them away, thinking it was their fault. But the real issue might be missing a natural boost. The good news? That boost is already in your kitchen. Using honey or aloe vera gives your cuttings the natural help they need to root fast. It is easy, gentle on the plant, and much better than using store-bought powders or chemicals. You do not need anything fancy. Just grab a fresh cutting from a healthy plant, a glass or small jar of clean water, and either a spoonful of raw honey or a little fresh aloe vera gel. That is it. No powders, no sprays, and definitely no expensive kits. Everything you need is already in your home. Wait until you see what happens when I dip a rose cutting into honey. In just a few days, tiny white roots start popping out more than I ever expected. And do not worry, I have the full time lapse to show you exactly what happened. Stay with me because it is kind of amazing. Start with a cutting that looks healthy and green. Trim the bottom at a slight angle. That helps the plant take in more of what it needs. Then, dip that end right into the honey. Make sure the whole cut part is coated. If you're using aloe vera, scoop out the gel and rub it gently around the stem. From here, you can place the cutting into clean water or plant it straight into damp soil. Do not put it in harsh sunlight, just somewhere warm and bright, but out of direct sun. And that is it. Seriously, just wait a few days and check in. I kept mine near a window, and every day I noticed something new. Tiny white roots started pushing through like magic. The honey and aloe vera help protect the plant from bad bacteria while giving it a natural push to grow roots fast. Look at this. This cutting sat in water for just 5 days after the honey dip, and it exploded with roots. I counted over 90 roots on one basil stem alone. And yes, it works with mint and rose cuttings too. All of this came from 1 spoon of honey and some patience. No powders. No stress. Just a simple, natural trick that actually works. Honey fights off the bad stuff like mold and bacteria, so your plant stays safe while it starts to root. Aloe vera gives your cutting natural vitamins and plant hormones that help new roots form. This is just nature doing its thing. It is safe, simple, and great for almost any soft stem plant you want to grow at home. If you try this trick, tell me how it worked in the comments. Did you get roots in a few days too? And if you really want to see crazy results, try mixing honey and aloe vera next time. Is the best of both worlds. Do not forget to like the video and hit subscribe if you want more gardening hacks that actually work. I have plenty more no-fuss, plant-saving tips coming your way.